we are also going to see how to find the sum of n numbers. That is, suppose the previous example only, the AP is, let's say, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on, 25 and so on. So if I want, if somebody asks me to find out the sum of first 10 numbers of this AP, that is sum of first 10 numbers means what? 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 and up to 10 numbers, right? So for this we have a formula Sn, sum of first n numbers is equals to n upon 2, in bracket we have 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is our formula for Sn, that is Sn is equals to n upon 2, in bracket we have 2a plus n minus 1d. So when you put down the values in this, suppose for first 20 terms I want, so S20 is how much? What you will have? Wherever you have n, we will substitute the value of 20. So 20 upon 2, in another bracket we have 2 into what is a? As per the previous example, a is 5 plus again we have 20 minus 1 into what is d? 5. Here we have a5, we have d5, we have n20. So now we will solve this further. 2 ones are 2, 2 tens are 20. So here we have 10 in bracket, 2 fives are 10 plus what is this? 20 minus 1 is what? 19 into 5. So what we have? 10 into the bracket 10 plus 19 into 5 we have 95. So S20 is equals to 10 multiplied by 105. So S20 is equals to 105 into 10, that is 1050. That is the value of your sum of first 20 terms. So whenever you are asked to find out, the sum of first n numbers, we have this formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Now this is for general when you have an AP, but this can also be used to find out the sum of first n natural numbers, to find the sum of first n odd natural numbers, to find out the sum of first n even natural numbers. And how we'll see that? How that is possible? Now we'll just see that also. See here on the board. For the first case that I am going to show you is what? Sum of first n natural numbers. For that, what is your AP? AP is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot. Your AP is 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to infinite for the sum of first n natural numbers. So in this case, what is your A? Your A is 1, right? And what is your D? D is equals to A2 minus A1. So your D is, what is A2? 2 minus A1, 1. So D is equals to, you have 1, right? What do you have? D, 1. We have A equals to 1, we have D equals to 1. Now we can find the sum of first n natural numbers, first n positive natural numbers. So S n is equals to n upon 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put down all the values. N we do not know, right? We have to find the sum of first n natural numbers in general. So Sn is equals to, we have n upon 2 into the bracket 2 into a is what? 1. 2 into a is what? 1 plus again n minus 1, n we do not know. Again, what is d? 1, right? Now we will solve this. So Sn is equals to, we have n upon 2 into the bracket 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2. Now 1 into n is plus n, 1 into minus 1 is what? Minus 1, right? So Sn is equals to n upon 2 into the bracket 2 minus 1 will have 1. So n minus 1. So this is your general form, n into n plus 1 upon 2. N into n plus 1 upon 2 is the general form for obtaining the sum of first n natural numbers. Now, as we have already used the formula of Sn, now we'll see the how to find the value of first n odd numbers. Okay, we'll just write the AP for odd numbers. What is that? AP is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7 dot dot. That is first n odd numbers. Somehow we'll have to find out. For that we have written this AP 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, right? So for this case, what we have A 1, and what is our D? Again A2 minus A1, that is D is equals to 3 minus 1. So D is equals to we have 2. We have A and we have D. So now you can use these two values to find out the sum of first and odd integers, and that is, what is Sn? Formula Sn is equals to, we have n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now what we'll do is, we'll put down the values of A and D. So that is equals to n upon 2 bracket 2 into what is A? 1 plus again n minus 1. What is D? 2, right? That is equals to n upon 2 into the bracket 2 plus 2 into n is what? 2n. 2 into minus 1 is what? Minus 2. Now plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. Plus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled. So now what we have? Sn is equals to n upon 2 into the bracket 2n. So 2, 2 cancel. So what we have? Sn, we'll have it here, I'll just write it here. Sn is equals to n into n, n square. Okay, so keep this in mind. Sum of first and odd numbers is n square. Sum of first and odd numbers is n square. This already comes in the rule of what? In the rule of square and square root. When you study of class 8 square and square root chapters, in that you have already seen that is sum of first and odd numbers is equals to n square. For an example, I'll just give an example. For sum of first 3 odd numbers. What are the first 3 odd numbers? 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is 9. And what is 9? 9 is the square of 3, 3 square. So sum of first 3 odd numbers is equals to 3 square. Similarly, sum of first 5 odd numbers is equals to, you'll have 5 square. Clear? So for the general, in general, we have sum of first and odd numbers is equals to n square. Now we'll see about even numbers. We'll see about even numbers, right? We'll just write the AP for even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dot dot dot, that is up to infinite, right? So here what we have, A is equals to, we have 2, the first term. Now how to find out D? D is equals to A2 second term minus A1, that is first term. So what is D now? D is equals to 4 minus 2, therefore D is equals to, you have 2. You have A, you have D. Now what we'll do, we'll put down all these values in the formula. Sn is equals to n upon 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So now for any nth term, right? Suppose first 10, sum of first 10 even numbers, sum of first 20 even numbers. Let's take sum of first 10 even numbers. But here we will just obtain general formula, and we will obtain a general formula like this. For this, n upon 2 into the bracket 2 into what is A? 2 plus n minus 1 into what is D here? Again 2. So n upon 2 in bracket 2 2s are 4, right? 2 2s are 4 plus n into 2, we have plus 2n, and 2 into minus 1 we have minus 2. So now that is equals to n upon 2 into the bracket 4 minus 2 gives you 2. So we have 2n plus 2. We have 2n plus 2. We'll continue here. Okay, we'll continue here. So now what we have, if you just see this, n, we'll take out 2 common from here, or we'll just write here as it is as of now, 2n plus 2 the whole upon 2, the whole upon 2, that's n, that is the whole upon 2. So what is that? We'll take out 2 common. So 2 common, 2 into n plus 1 upon 2. So 2 cancel. Once again, just pay attention students, here it is, we'll take out 2 common from here, right? So when you take out 2 common, in bracket what is remaining? Here you have n, here you have n, and here you have 1. So n plus 1, 2 cancel, right? So what we have? Sn is equals to n into n plus 1. This is the general formula to find out the sum of first n even numbers, that is first n even numbers. Like for an example, if we'll just see use this formula to find out sum of first 4 even numbers. So what do you get? 4 into 4 plus 1. So 4 into 5, that is 20. Let's check sum of first 4 even numbers. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. So we got the value. Clear everyone? Thanks for the video.